When we say counterfactual statements, the statements are not true or merely hypothetical. It basically means the things that did not happen but could have happened. So when I say, if Jade Louie took STEM education during his senior high school years, then he would have become a biology student right now. Clearly, that did not happen, but it is an alternative where it could have happened. In the book of Counterfactual by David Lewis, he poses a question: how can we rigorously analyze and evaluate counterfactual statements within hypothetical scenarios using model logic and possible world semantics? The answer is simple. David Lewis argued that a comprehensive framework rooted in these methods allows for a systematic assessment of counterfactual statements. 3 points for this claim. 1. Model logic. Model logic uses quantifiers such as necessarily and possibly in order to frame counterfactual statements. For instance, necessarily, if Jade Louie invested his time for himself, then he would have become a better person. In that statement alone, the claim of counterfactual was strengthened because of the operators such as necessarily. Then it means, necessarily, if Jade Louie invested his time, then he would completely become a different person. Number 2, possible world semantics. This approach models alternative worlds to evaluate counterfactual. For instance, this certain type of government adopted death penalty and this certain type of government did not adopt death penalty. Clearly, by evaluating these two different worlds, we could really assess the effects when it comes to the implementation of this certain type of policy. Thirdly, framework integration. Combining model logic with possible world semantics allows for a detailed assessment of counterfactual. It helps us understand the difference of these worlds by using the quantifiers necessarily in the different world or possible world semantics. In this, the strength of the book includes its clear demonstration of how model logic refines the analysis of counterfactual statements. However, palpable weakness is simple. These theoretical frameworks can't be applied in real-time scenarios because time constraint is present. Upon reading the book, I've recognized that counterfactual statements framed through model logic can help us generate decisions based on potential outcomes. Therefore, to strengthen the book's argument, it should address the challenge of translating theoretical models into practical decision-making, allowing counterfactual statements framed in model logic applicable in real-life scenarios.